Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install apps using downloader codes on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Now let's get started. We're going to head over to the download application. So that app is on app drawer right here. Click on it once, that launch the application. From there, I'm going to come over to this pound sign on the top. I have a video showing you how to use this app in depth, so you could check that out. And in that video, I showed you how to use this number pad. You put in the code for the app you wish to download. So in this case, the code is going to be 10381. 10381. That's actually a code for the unlinked app. So it can be any app. It could be a Chrome app, it could be a game, it could be a streaming app, anything. As far as you have the code, and I have lots of videos showing you different unlinked codes or have different downloader codes. So just get the code, put it in, and you'll be redirected after 5 seconds. Now, when you're redirected, the browser is going to read the code, understand the app you're trying to download, source the application. Yeah, downloader does all this, and take over the download as you just saw. Now, you see this download will be taken over by downloader. Downloader is now showing you the file download progress. And when the app is completely downloaded, you have the automatic install kicking in. Now this install kicking because you have allowed apps to be installed from unknown sources, or you have allowed the installation of unknown apps. I'll show you, I have a video showing you how to do that, but I'll just recap it at the end of this video. Right there you can see we're over 90% done with the download. A couple more seconds and the download will be complete. So you see that download is going to auto, what's the word, auto install. So usually you have like to go look for the APK file and then click on the APK file in the file explorer or in the downloader files and then install it. But downloader, when you download the APK, it just auto installs and provides you this button. So now that you have that button on screen, you can just select install and you have the app installing. So that is it done. I could open this app right now if I want to. Installation is complete and we have success. So if you found that useful, if the video was insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this. This is DaveTech signing out.